Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am Adam, and today I'm going to be heading back to the Disneyland Resort. I'm going to do some pin trading, check out some of the new pins that were released over the weekend, and since the last time I was here, really, and today. And tomorrow is Pin Tuesday, but I don't see myself making the trip because I don't think anything's really going to come out tomorrow, but we'll see. But other than that, if you haven't already, please do consider subscribing to our YouTube channel here, and please do follow us on Instagram at AdamChrisPins with a Z. And with that being said, let's go.
Over here. Because if you want to trade,
And I got the happy birthday kit.
Nope. That one's good.
Maddie, give the one you want to Auntie.
Another day, I forget the popcorn bucket. It's tragic. Boy, got a table. Finally set up here to do some pin trading. See what's going on.
What's up, guys? We're here at the tables.
You gonna pin trade?
Another day, another trade.
What do you want to trade? Funny story, I totally forget to bring my pins to put on the boards, and these are the ones that I would normally trade at Frontierland, so I ended up grabbing these because I really don't think I'll get that much anyways, but I'm just going to grab these, and hopefully I could trade these out for better pins at least.
Yeah, two faces, three. Try again.
Alright, I'm going to try... Let me try 22 and 6.
22 and 6?
Yeah. So no on that one, and no on that one. Alright, thank you. Let's see if there's anything on this board as well. But, no. Nothing. How's it going?
Good, you?
Good. Don't see anything right now. Do you have any trivia pins?
I do actually.
No?
Let me think of a question. Do you know which attraction is still considered a ride?
The train? It's still like in the park right now?
Yes, it's still.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
The monorail?
I'm Indiana Jones one.
It's Fantasyland.
Fantasyland. Carousel? I don't know.
It's the Mr. Toad's Wild
Ready?
Ride.
I'll be.
Okay. I'm a simple man. I spot a character and I go. Sometimes between here, like between Merlin's Marvelous Miscellaneous and the castle, there's like a little tunnel. Sometimes you can see characters here. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I hope you have a magical day.
Thank you, you too.
Don't forget to make some wishes.
Oh, yeah.
Wishes,
Awesome. I'm so awkward when it comes to the real. I'm so awkward when it comes to real characters. I was gonna grab that one. Hello, how's it going?
Doing well. How are you today?
I'm good.
Good.
Thanks for asking. Do you guys have any trivia here?
I don't, unfortunately.
You don't?
No.
You do? I'll try it.
I do.
Yeah.
You seen all the Disney movies?
I mean a good amount, yeah.
Okay, so did you see Mary Poppins?
No, that one no.
The original?
No.
Okay, I'll give you the standard one I ask everybody.
Okay.
What's the address to Disneyland?
That one I don't know.
These are trivia.
I know, that's a good question. I've never had that one before. What's the
Okay,
address?
give you one more.
Yeah.
Well, how many rides are there at Disneyland?
I want to say at Disneyland or DCA too?
No,
Just Disneyland. I want to say 13. Am I close? No. Is it 16? Or what is it?
There's only one.
One?
One.
It's a trick question.
Yeah, I don't know.
So, you want to tell him? Yeah.
Okay.
Tell me the joke.
The only ride that's considered a ride is Mr. Toad's ride.
Oh, okay, that's right.
Right there,
okay.
it says it on his ride.
Right.
All the other ones are considered
Attractions. Okay, good to know. Treacherous trivia. They got me twice with that one. Mr. Toad, I'm coming for you. Thanks for asking. Do you have any trivia questions?
Not at the moment. Sorry
Not
about
at
that,
all.
friend.
All right, no worries. Thank you. Just want to give a quick shout out to John and family all the way from Hawaii. Really appreciate you guys watching our videos. They stopped me and just told me nice words. But yeah, ended up zapping me this pin as well, and I was telling him that I regret not getting just like a plain Kalani pin, so this is really nice. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. So I'm sitting here thinking about the new pin releases that are going to come out this month, but I'm like, wait, tomorrow is still January, so it's the 5th Tuesday of the month, and I'm like, damn, this is the longest month ever, and I really don't know what they're gonna release tomorrow. Hopefully it's nothing like crazy, because I don't really think I'm gonna come, but it's just my quick thoughts. It's the longest month ever. So right here at the Tomorrowland store, they have these new boxes. Me and Jazz have been looking for these, and I guess they just came out today, but the Alejibres. Sorry, my Spanish is bad. But anyways, here's the ones that come in the set. Of course, Jazz is looking for the Pepito one. So let's see what we end up getting for this one. This one is cool, but it's usually counterfeit, so I'm gonna have to skip that one today. Alright, time to show you guys some new pins that just came out. This Kingdom Hearts one. It features Mickey, the Keyblade, I believe, and it's silver for us, $12.99. And this one as well. Sora, Donald, and Goofy. And this one is silver as well, so it's $12.99. And I didn't see this one last time. I don't know if it came out recently or I just missed it last time, but here's this one. There's a Hunchback of Notre Dame one. Features Quasimodo and the, I don't know those characters. It's been a long time. But that is on the watch list again. Here's a brand new booster set. This one retails for $39.99 and it features 6 pins. It has the, I forget what they're called. This is Sensational 6? I don't know. Because Chip and Dale are like 2. But, and normally it would be like Daisy and Minnie, but it's these 6 right now. Alright, this one for sure is brand new. It features Boba Fett. It's just like the Darth Vader and R2-D2 one, but anyways, this one is $12.99. It's silver. It's a really nice pin. I do like this one. I'm not sure when this one came out, but I can't remember if it's new or not. But anyways, this one is $16.99. Features Belle and Beast. It looks like to be 2 pins because there's 2 pin backs, so that's pretty cool. And then this one as well, Ariel and Eric. Pretty nice pin. This one is silver, so it's $12.99. And here's this one. I do see this one, but I'm okay on that one. I think it's for like a lanyard set or something. Do you have any trivia questions today?
Not today.
Not today.
Yeah, I didn't bring the pin. I had them the other day. I forgot on my other bag.
No worries. I think I'm gonna grab this one, the little Mickey one. I'm gonna try. Try the peel. Cool. Cool. Good to know. Do you have any trivia questions? I'll try the trivia.
Alright, let's see. Find a good one. What is Flynn Rider's real name?
I don't know. I haven't seen Tangled.
Oh, you haven't?
No.
Okay, I'll give you one more.
Okay.
Okay, in the movie Monsters, Inc., what is Boo's real name?
Mary.
Yes.
Yeah, cool. That's all I have left. Cool. I'll do this one.
Okay.
And then I'll give you this one. The mighty one.
Mighty. Okay.
Cool.
Alrighty.
Alright, so just like the last few videos, I'm going to head to Walt Disney on the way out. And depending on how this one is, I might go to the other store. This is here at Downtown Disney. Damn, I jinxed it. Here at the World of Disney store, they have this Wish Funko Pop. I actually haven't seen this one before. I haven't even seen like any of the Wish line, to be honest with you. I don't really look for pops like that anymore, but let me see. This Asha one with the star as well is pretty nice. Nice. Asha with star. I love that one. The little star. But this one's really nice. This one's the exclusive Disney one from part of the Diamond Collection. When I was walking out of the park, one of the cast members told me that he was doing me a solid and informing me that I have a couple spiders on my shirt. I was like, ugh! I was like, oh, funny guy. When I was at the 20th Century Music Store, I didn't get to show you guys this because I kind of saw it last minute and I was like, oh, I need to buy this. But I ended up buying this pin. It's a 2-pack. Comes with the Alien and Woody. Really cool. Alien's wearing his hat. Maybe he stole it. Maybe Woody let him wear it for the picture. Who knows? But I had to have it. It was $19.99, and I definitely want to collect these. So if you guys, you know, have them for trade or something one day, let me know. All right, here's the pins that I ended up getting today on the boards and trivia. This one, the Daisy, and the Halloween one are the ones that I ended up doing trivia questions for. Not too bad. And I did find this one as well on the board at the 20th Century outside. This one's really cool. I love grabbing like the little pins. I have like a little Donald one, and I'm pretty sure I have another Mickey one, but anyways, really nice to have. Alright, and here's what I ended up trading for today at Frontierland. I wasn't sure if I had this Rolf one, but I'm pretty sure I do, but I don't remember, so I just traded for it anyways. And ended up trading for this Miss Piggy one. This one's kind of funny because it says, moi can do it, you can too, so very silly. And this one is from Paris, I guess. I don't know, 2018. It's a little suspect to me, but I don't know. And then I traded this one for Jasmine, of course, and this one from the new Sleeping Beauty box set. Alright guys, so that's it. That's the pin trading video for today. Hope you guys had a good time as much as I did. And I just want to say a special shout out to all the people that came up to me and said what's up and just, you know, chopped it up with me. And I really appreciate it because sometimes like when I'm here by myself, I'm just like, damn, I'm really here by myself. I'm used to having Jasmine and I wish she was here. But one more or maybe 2 more weeks, but she'll be back. She will be back. But yeah guys, hope you checked out our Knott's video. If you haven't, please do click or check the description. I'm gonna link it down there. And yeah, that's pretty much it guys. 49ers and Chiefs are going to the Super Bowl. I don't want either of them to win, to be honest with you, but I'd rather have the 49ers than the Chiefs because I do not like Patrick Mahomes. And whoever wins, regardless, I will be here at the parade at Disneyland because I do believe they will be at Disneyland versus Disney World the next day, but I don't know. Anyway, so let me know who you guys think is going to win the Super Bowl in the comments below. Other than that, that's pretty much it guys. So if you haven't already, please do consider subscribing to us on YouTube here. And follow us on Instagram at AdamChrisPins with a Z. Shout out to everybody for following us there as well, because we just hit 1,500 followers on there. And I want to thank you guys, Jasmine and I. But yeah, follow us on there. Gonna do a giveaway soon. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, so I'm back home with Jazz, and she's gonna open the box now. Say hi, Jazz.
Hi guys, long time no see. Oh, I don't know if you showed these.
I did.
Okay. I'm hoping for Pepito.
That's not Pepita.
No.
Come on, Pepita.
No, that one's so cute.
Not a bad pull.
So cute.
Alright, bye guys.